Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss regarding Manusmriti. Of course, I am not going to explain you Manusmriti or Manudharma, but an incident has come to the notice of the Supreme Court where it was averred that the 11 feet tall statue of Manu has to be demolished since it has been located or installed in front of Rajasthan High Court. While dealing with the case of Ramjimal and others versus Rajasthan High Court and others in WP 102 by 2023 on 24th February 2023, two judges bench, Justice Sanjeev Khanna and M.M. Sundaresh, they are reluctant to interfere with the said petition of demolishing the Manu statue and directed the petitioner to approach the High Court. Already the case is against Rajasthan High Court. So please remember, now they don't want to interfere. So in the demolition of the so-called Manu. Who is a Manu? A mythological leader, a mythological figure and first lawmaker, Manusmriti. Hinduism, first law giver in Hinduism. So please remember, definitely in the High Court, a statue of a man holding the first law information, then you can't disturb them. This is one side view. The other side view is different. We will come to that point. Anyway, Honorable Supreme Court of India refused to interfere the orders regarding the demolition of Manu statue, which is 11 feet tall and which is installed or founded in front of Rajasthan High Court. It has been there since 1989, not now, 34 years. For the past 34 years, it has been there. So, according to the available records, it was installed in February 1989 by the then Chief Justice of Rajasthan, N.M. Kasliwal. But immediately, within months of its installation, lot of furore was there by the Dalit organizations. So therefore, High Court ordered for removal of the same. But the VHP lawyers, they have once again approached the High Court. High Court has given stay orders for its own order. That means, first of all, the High Court ordered for the removal, but once the VHP advocates approached, it has stayed its own order. So likewise, for the last 34 years, the Manu statue, it has witnessed so many protests, even by the famous leader Kanshiram, even by the present minister Ramdas Adawale. So normally, according to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, yes, I think he has burnt the Manudharma or Manusmriti books, because this Manusmriti, according to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, it is denouncing the religious bias for the so-called untouchability. You may be knowing the slogan or the adage of Manu, Nastri Swatantra Marahati. The woman is not independent, she has to be dependent. And of course, he is a Hindu lawmaker. I am sure he is the first lawgiver in the Hindu tradition. We cannot take it so easily. We cannot negate his ideas also. But whatever it is a controversial topic. So please remember, so-called the Code of Manu is discriminatory toward the Dalits. It encourages the caste system. Even Bhagavad Gita, Chatur Varnam Maya Srishtyam. Lord Krishna said, I have created these 4 castes basing on their profession. It's a different aspect, caste system. Then patriarchy, Nastri Swatantra Marahasi. So all these things are there, but whatever it is, then once you install the statute, you must think twice. It's over. For the past 34 years, it has been there. So Supreme Court said, we are not going to interfere. If the High Court says okay, but High Court itself is not willing to remove the statue. Very peculiar situation, but anyway, in this particular incident, Supreme Court is reluctant to interfere with the removal orders of the Manu, very famous lawmaker in Hinduism. Right? With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.